Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear educarians. Hope you all are fine and well and taking good care of yourselves. Welcome to computer class. As you know, we are going to start our lesson number 3. So the topic is creating web pages using HTML. So dear students, lesson number 3 is about unit number 5, creating web pages using HTML. So the contents of the lesson are viewing HTML document, recap zone, reading of winter pack page number 16 and 18. So inshallah, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn how to view HTML document, what is the recap zone of unit number 5, and reading of winter pack page number 16 and 18. Okay students, before starting our lesson, the required material are lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, blue marker, blue pen, ruler, computer textbook, computer notebook, along with your winter pack that has been provided by the educators. Students, open the page number 96. Now we are going to read viewing HTML document. After writing the HTML code to create a web page, जब हम एक वेब पेज क्रिएट कर लेते हैं HTML कोड राइट करने के बाद, तो HTML एडिटर्स की हेल्प से जब हम राइट कर लेते हैं, वी कैन चेक व्हाट द वेब पेज एंड विल लुक लाइक, कि वेब पेज किस तरह का दिखाई दे रहा है यूजिंग अ वेब ब्राउजर. आप ये चेक कर सकते हैं वेब ब्राउजर्स को यूज करते हुए. सो सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ वेब ब्राउजर्स आर इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, मोजिला फायरफॉक्स, नेटस्केप, navigators and Google Chrome. As you can see that in right hand side picture, so browsers are available here: Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Apple Safari and Opera. So now we are going to read some steps to view HTML pages are. These are on page number 97. Step number 1, open the Google Chrome and press Ctrl+O. The open dialog box is appear. As you can see that in step number 1, picture is appear here. जब डियर स्टूडेंट्स आप ये देखना चाहते हैं कि हमारा वेब पेज किस तरह का दिखाई दे रहा है, तो सबसे पहले आप किसे ओपन करते हैं? गूगल क्रोम को. और इसकी एक बहुत अच्छी शॉर्टकट की है Ctrl+O. Ctrl+O को प्रेस करने के बाद भी आप गूगल क्रोम का डायलॉग बॉक्स ओपन कर सकते हैं. तो स्टेप नंबर 2, चूज द फोल्डर एंड फाइल. अब टाइम है फोल्डर और फाइल को चूज करने का जिसमें आपने ऑलरेडी अपना वेब पेज क्या किया था? सेव किया था. So next is step number 3. Click on the open button and the selected files opens in the Google Chrome window. As you can see that in step number 3, जब आप open पे क्लिक करेंगे step number 3 में, तो आपके पास एक Google Chrome की विंडो ओपन हो जाएगी जिसमें लिखा होगा Welcome to the world of web designing. Now all of you come to the page number 98. We are going to read about recap zone. So one time we will recall our lesson. What is web page? A web page is a page that contains text, images, audio, video and links to other web pages. आप जैसे कि जानते हैं कि हम पढ़ चुके हैं कि वेब पेज एक पेज है जो कि टेक्स्ट, इमेज और ऑडियो पर कंटेन करता है. वेब पेज आर रिटन यूजिंग स्पेशल लैंग्वेज आर कॉल्ड HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. Next we are going to read web browser. A web browser is used to view the HTML pages. Now we are going to read about commands. Commands in HTML are known as tags. All HTML tags are enclosed with the angle bracket. As you can see that angle bracket. Next, a container tag. A container tag is a tag that need to be closed. ऐसा tag होता है जिसे close करने की जरूरत पड़ती है. Next, an empty tag. An empty tag is a tag that does not require a closing tag. Next, we are going to read about attribute. An attribute is special keyword used inside the tag to specify additional information about the tag and customize it. So dear students, now we are going to read about HTML tag. The HTML tag identifies the document as an HTML document. Dear students, HTML ये identify करता है कि ये document कौन सा HTML document है. Next, the head. The head tag is used to provide some additional information. Next, the title tag. The title tag is used to specify the title of web pages. तो ये सब topics हैं जो हम already chapter में read out कर चुके हैं. Now all of you open your winter pack. Page number 16, we are going to read question answers of unit number 5. Creating web pages using HTML. So question number 1 is, what does an HTML editor do? To create an HTML document, you require HTML editors. An HTML editor is a software program that enables you to easily create HTML documents. There are two types of HTML editors, WYSI editor and text editor. Dear students, we have already done the reading about HTML editors. HTML editors कौन होते हैं? डॉक्यूमेंट मेक करने के लिए सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं जो कि आपको HTML डॉक्यूमेंट मेक करने में हेल्प करते हैं. So it is having two types, WYSI editor and text editor. Question number 2. What does WYSI stands for? WYSI stands for what you see is what you get. So these editors provide an inbuilt interface wherein you can quickly design web page without writing an HTML text, as well as preview the web pages. Question number 3. Name the text editor used to create HTML document. So text editors such as Notepad and WordPad let us create HTML documents by writing HTML commands. Dear students, Notepad कौन है? HTML text editor है. So Notepad में आपको याद होगा कि हमने प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म किया था, हमने Notepad की हेल्प से एक वेब पेज डिजाइन किया था. So what these are? Text editor. Question number 4. How can we check what the web page will look like after writing the HTML code to create a web page? So the basic structure of an HTML document is shown here. As you can see that HTML tag, head tag is here. Then after that title tag is here. Head tag closing is here. In last we are having body tag. So now we are going to read about short question answers. What is HTML tag? Command in HTML are known as tags. जितनी भी commands आप HTML में use करते हैं, so these are known as tags. A tag is an HTML command that defines the manner in which the content should be formatted and displayed in browser. जितनी भी commands आप use करते हैं, ये manner form में कहाँ पे display होती है? Browser में. All HTML tags are enclosed with the angle bracket. आप ये जानते हैं कि तमाम की तमाम HTML tags किस में close होते हैं? Angle bracket में. Next question number 2. What is attribute? An attribute is used inside the tag to specify additional information about it and customize it. For example, angle bracket H1 align is equal to center and angle bracket close. In this example, align is the attribute. Align, why it is an attribute? Because it is specify the additional information. ये additional information को बता रहा है, किसी खास चीज को बता रहा है. तो attributes क्या होती हैं? आप पढ़ चुके हैं कि properties होती हैं. तो properties क्या होती हैं? Like color, font, size, these are the properties. किसी भी चीज की प्रॉपर्टी को, जैसे उसका कलर हो गया, उसका साइज हो गया, उसकी राइटिंग होगी, सो वो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी होगी. हम इसे चेंज कर सकते हैं. टैग इज टू बी डिस्प्ले इन सेंटर. ये ऐसा टैग है जो कि सेंटर में डिस्प्ले किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. डिफाइन HTML एडिटर्स टू क्रिएट एन HTML डॉक्यूमेंट. यू रिक्वायर एन HTML एडिटर्स. HTML डॉक्यूमेंट बनाने के लिए आपको क्या रिक्वायर होता है? HTML एडिटर्स. एन HTML एडिटर इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम that enable you to easily create HTML documents. So there are two types of HTML editors. Number 1 is WYSI editors and second is text editor. So question number 4. Define text editor. Text editors such as Notepad let us create HTML document by writing HTML command. So students, take out your notebook and get ready yourself to make a title page of unit number 5. Unit number 5 title page you will make creating web pages using HTML. After making the title page, don't forget to prepare your notebook pages. So you must write today's task, day and date on the top of the page. Don't forget to write your topic. So what is our topic? Chapter number 5, creating web pages using HTML. So dear students, get ready yourself to rewrite the question answers of unit number 5 from your winter pack. So question number 1 is, what does an HTML editor do? So the answer is here. You can rewrite the answer with the help of winter pack page number 16. Question number 2. What does WYSI stands for? So you can rewrite this question from the winter pack page number 16. So students, now it's time to write question number 3. Name the text editor used to create HTML document. So answer you will rewrite from the winter pack page number 16. Question number 4. How can we check what the web page will look like after writing the HTML code to create a web page? So answer is here. The basic structure of an HTML document is shown here. HTML tag you will write, head tag you will write, then after that it's time to write the title tag. After that you will write head tag and again you will write body tag. So like that you will complete your notebook work. Now it's time to write short question answers. You can write short question answers with the help of page number 16. Chapter number 5, short question answers. So question number 1, what is HTML tag? So answer you will rewrite from the winter pack. Question number 2, what is an attribute? Question number 3, define HTML editors. So the answer is here. You can take help from your winter pack to rewrite the answer. Question number 4, text editor. So answer you will rewrite from your winter pack. Now all of you open page number 18 from your winter pack. Now we are going to read about unit number 5 worksheet. So all of you must write your name, section and date on the top of these bars. So question number 1 is, the statement is that, fill in the blanks. So first one, fill in the blank is, a web page is a page containing text, images, audio, video and links to the other web page. Next, dash is a language used to design web page. So dear students, हम कौन सी लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं वेब पेज डिजाइन करने के लिए? कौन सी? Yes, HTML, hypertext markup language we are using. Next command is HTML are known as. Commands HTML में हम किस नाम से जानते हैं? Yes, tags. Dash is full form of HTML. Who is the full form of HTML? Hypertext markup language. Every HTML document must contain certain standard what? HTML tags. Now it's time to read statement number 2. Choose the best answer. So question number 1 is, the short form what you see is what you get is. What is the short form? Yes, WYSIWYG. Dash was the primary author of HTML. Who is the primary author? Tim Berners-Lee. So which of the following is web browser? Who is the web browser? Yes, all of these web browsers. कौन से? Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. So these are what? Web browsers. Next, a dash is used to view HTML page. Who is used to view HTML page? कौन यूज होता है? वेब ऑर्डर, वेब ब्राउजर या वेब कंटेंट? कौन यूज होता है? वेब ब्राउजर. सो द डैश टैग इज यूज्ड टू प्रोवाइड सम एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन. कौन सा टैग है जो कि आपको एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करता है? हु इज दैट? यस, हैड. नाउ स्टेटमेंट नंबर 3. Encircle T for true and F for false statement. URL full form is Uniform Resource Locator. So it's true. Web browser are software that are used to view HTML pages. क्या web browsers use होते हैं? Yes, true. All HTML tags are enclosed with the angle bracket. It's true. HTML file extension is .html or HTML. Yes, it's true. An HTML editor is hardware program that enables you to create HTML document. क्या HTML editors hardware program है? No. These are what? Software programs. So it's false. Now it's time for task to do. Do practice how to view HTML pages. Learn and write question answers on notebook from winter pack page number 16. Do worksheet of unit number 5 from winter pack page number 18. So dear students, I hope today's lesson was helpful for you to have understand each and every point. So I will see you in my next lesson. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.